I'm Rick Farley, and this is PwC's Tax Insights in Brief. Recently, the IRS released notices 2025-10 and 2025-11, which provide guidance on the Section 45 Cap Z Clean Fuel Production Credit. Section 45 Cap Z, which replaces the Section 40 Cap A and 40 Cap B tax credits, provides a tax credit for clean transportation fuel produced by a taxpayer at a qualified facility in the United States and sold after 2024 and before 2028 to an unrelated person to produce a fuel mixture, use in a trade or business, or sell at retail and place in a fuel tank. Notice 2025-10 provides the text of anticipated Section 45 Cap Z proposed regulations in advance of publication by the IRS. Furthermore, Notice 2025-11 provides general information on determining emission rates and publishes the initial emissions rate table. Taxpayers that may be affected by the forthcoming proposed regulations should consider submitting comments by the April 10th due date. Taxpayers seeking to claim the credit must register under Section 4101 as a producer of clean fuel and, for sustainable aviation fuel, provide certification from an unrelated party of compliance with certain requirements. For more details, read the attached insight. Thanks for watching. This has been PwC's Tax Insights in Brief.